Today we're here to show you guys how you can clean your rubber floor mats in your car. It's a super easy process. I'm going to show you guys exactly how it's done with just two products. We'll be using these two products. Let's get into it, guys. The two products we'll be using today is our interior cleaner and our intensive interior cleaning brush. So these two make a great combo for cleaning rubber floor mats because rubber floor mats are actually quite a sensitive surface. You might not think it. So when we're cleaning this type of material, we want to actually use a material compatible cleaner. That's where the interior cleaner is very handy, and use a brush to agitate the dirt and then just rinse it all off. So the way I like to do it is I give it quite a liberal spray to start out with. Spray the surface, let that dwell for a second or so, and then we use our intensive brush, give it a bit of agitation. You can see the color of the foam is really indicating how much dirt is actually trapped in this rubber floor mat. So at this point, we can either use a damp microfiber to wipe off any excess, or what we can do is we can give it a slight hose off, and that will rinse off any residual dirt that's left on the floor mat. There are ways to rejuvenate the rubber. Sometimes we like to use plastic hair on top, but in most cases I actually try to avoid that because using plastic hair on the top of it or any type of dressing on the top of rubber can cause it to be a little bit slippery. And that's why we recommend to rather clean it with a very material compatible cleaner than have to put a rejuvenator over the top from a harsh cleaner or something like that. And that's how easy it is to clean your rubber floor mats, guys.